Alright, for this we are starting with a dry, unsoda ashed shirt. So do not soak this in soda ash first. This is 100% cotton. It has been flipped inside out, and I do have centerline marks to go ahead and get started with this. We're just going to do a basic mandala fold to start with and go from there. Alright, after we get that done, go ahead and fold this in half. See if I can get this on the first try. Hey. Alright, so that's folded in half. Let's go ahead and fold this. There we go. I'll flip that. Okay, and we're going to fold over one more time. Grab rubber band just to hold that loosely in place. Alright, here we go. Off to dye. Alright, for this I'll be using Scarlet, Orange Crush, Lemon Yellow, Bright Green, Bluebird, and Deep Purple. And these are all from Dharma. Alright, we'll let that melt through. Alright, so I have a plastic bucket. I'm making a soda ash solution. It's at about 125 degrees or so. And then I'm just going to drop this in. And I'll let that sit for another 12 to 18 hours. And then we'll do the washout. Alright, time for the washout. Alright, throw this in the wash and then take a final look. Pardon the air conditioner noise in the background. Here's the front. Here's the back. If you were watching when I did the rinse out, this was quite a bit darker, and I was really concerned it was going to be horrible, especially one side compared to the other. And that's because when I poured the water, I meant to just pour the water, soda ash water, over it and let it sit for a bit on a rack and then rinse it out, instead of pouring the water on it into a bowl and then letting it sit for like 12 hours. Mistakes were made. I lost track of which thing I was doing to which shirt. I was really concerned, but this isn't bad. It looks intentional, and it actually looks really, really cool over here. So, happy mistake. Alright, so this was the idea for the watercolor mandala. It's much brighter than the last watercolor video that I posted, but I think it actually works pretty good. It's not, it still has that feathery look to it, especially in the lighter colors. So I think it works out. Obviously, it's not a typical mandala as far as the color scheme goes, and not staying within where all of the tie points were, but I like the look. I even like this, which is shocking. What do you think? Let me know down below. And until next time, thanks for watching, and subscribe if you like what you see.